Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a seeker named Kira. She had spent years searching for answers, seeking wisdom, and hoping to find enlightenment. One day, determined and weary, she set out to find a renowned wise master known for his profound teachings. After a long and arduous journey, Kira arrived at the humble dwelling of the wise master. She bowed respectfully and said, "Master, I have travelled far in search of enlightenment. Please guide me on this path." The wise master, a serene figure with eyes sparkling with wisdom, smiled warmly at Kira. "Welcome, dear seeker. I shall share with you the essence of enlightenment through the three gates: to speak no evil, to hear no evil, and to see no evil." Puzzled, Kira questioned, "But Master, how can these gates lead to enlightenment?" The Master explained, "Enlightenment lies not in avoiding the world, but in developing mindful awareness and control over our thoughts, words, and actions. The first gate, to speak no evil, reminds us to choose our words wisely. Words have immense power and can either uplift or harm. By speaking with kindness, truth, and compassion, we create harmony within ourselves and with others." Kira nodded, realizing the significance of mindful speech. She absorbed the wisdom, eager to explore the remaining gates. The Master continued, "The second gate, to hear no evil, invites us to cultivate deep listening. Often we are quick to judge, criticize, or engage in gossip. By practicing mindful listening, we develop empathy, understanding, and the ability to truly connect with others. We free ourselves from the burden of unnecessary judgments and negativity." Kira contemplated the Master's words, reflecting on her own tendencies to listen without truly hearing. She resolved to practice this gate diligently. Finally, the Master revealed the third gate, saying, "The gate to see no evil calls for us to look beyond the surface and recognize the inherent goodness in all beings. It urges us to let go of prejudices, biases, and negative perceptions. By cultivating a compassionate and open-hearted view, we foster unity and dissolve the barriers that separate us from one another." Inspired by the wisdom of the three gates, Kira embarked on her journey towards inner peace. She remained in the presence of the wise master, seeking guidance and learning to embody the teachings. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Over time, Kira began to notice subtle shifts within herself. She spoke with mindful intention, choosing words that uplifted and inspired. She listened deeply, embracing the perspectives of others with an open heart. And she saw the beauty and potential in every person she encountered. As Kira continued to walk the path of the three gates, she discovered that enlightenment was not a distant destination, but a way of being in the world. It was a state of awareness, compassion, and harmony with oneself and others. Years later, Kira returned to her village, carrying the wisdom of the three gates within her. She shared her journey and teachings, inspiring others to embark on their own paths of self-discovery and inner peace. The village blossomed with a newfound spirit of unity, understanding, and compassion. And so, the timeless wisdom of the three gates continued to be passed down through generations, reminding seekers of the power of mindful awareness and control in their pursuit of enlightenment. As we conclude this video, let us carry the essence of the three gates with us. May we speak with kindness, listen with empathy, and see the inherent goodness in all beings. Together, let's create a world filled with harmony, understanding, and compassion. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time, may your journey towards inner peace and enlightenment be filled with wisdom, love, and profound transformation.